How to use satellite on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use satellite on iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First, to use iPhone's satellite feature, you'll need to have a few hardware requirements fulfilled. That is, you'll need to have iPhone 14 or later with the latest iOS version. So if you have iPhone 14, what you can do to get the latest iOS is head over to your settings, go to General. On General, go to Software Update. On there, if you see an update available, tap on the update and update to the latest version. After you've updated to the latest version, what you can do to basically get or to use the satellite feature is just swipe down to open up your control center. And after you're on your control center, at the bottom, you will find satellite option. If you select satellite option, you will find an option that says run a demo or connect. So there you can see try demo. Simply press on that. After you do that, you can then follow the on-screen instruction to find a clear view of the sky and align your phone with a satellite. So this will require physically turning your iPhone. So do that and connect to a satellite. And that's how you use a satellite on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and